welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through the stunning landscapes of New Zealand. We begin our road trip from Fox Glacier located on the west coast of the South Island towards Queenstown. While driving on this dreamy road trip, we will explore some of the most picturesque spots along the way. So finally time to say goodbye to this beautiful cute little place, and I'm gonna so miss this view. This journey is approximately 330 kilometers and takes around 5 to 6 hours by car. Along the way we will pass through lush forests, serene lakes and charming small towns. Our first stop was Māori Beach, a serene and beautiful spot known for its golden sands and clear waters. This beach is perfect for a relaxing break and a chance to soak in the natural beauty of New Zealand. Our next stop was Lake Baringa. This pristine lake surrounded by temperate forest took my heart. This is ideal for boating, swimming and fishing. And if you want to camp, they also offer non-powered campsites. After a short drive, we reached Sheep Creek. The area is named after the discovery of part of a shipwreck in 1870s. The water was incredibly calm and clear. We took this opportunity to fly our drone and capture some stunning aerial footage. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. We drove our drone here, and it's pretty amazing. There is an app called Airshare for the New Zealand specifically. So if you want to fly your drone, so all you need to do is create your account and then enter your details. Take the permission like an hour or two, whatever, how many hours you want to fly, and then yeah, it's very easy because there are certain areas where you cannot fly drone and you have to be sure that you're following the rules when you're traveling. Be a responsible traveler. After the nice breakfast, we hit the road again. We visit several breathtaking waterfalls along the Haast Pass. Each waterfall offers a unique glimpse into the natural beauty of New Zealand. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. A travel trip to you all. Wear comfortable walking shoes and bring insect repellent as some areas can be prone to sandflies. Also take your time to enjoy each stop and capture the beauty of these natural wonders. Oh my god. What is this place? Look at this. Oh shoot. This is just mesmerizing. Amazing. Oh wow. Here are some travel tips to make your trip smoother. Make sure to fill up your tank before leaving Fox Glacier as the petrol station can be sparse along the route. The weather can change rapidly, especially in the mountains. Check the forecast and be prepared for all the conditions. Take regular breaks to stretch your legs and enjoy the scenery. There are plenty of scenic spots to stop and take photos.
navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly.
Our drone is almost dead. It's like not almost dead, it's dead. But we really want to fly our drone at this place, and we were trying to save the battery, but we couldn't. It's like every turn has such a beautiful landscape that we have to stop and take a video. Again, look at my back. Oh my god, this is the thing I was looking for.
Soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts move through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions.
It's important to follow New Zealand's drone regulations to ensure safety and respect for the environment. Here are some key points to remember. You cannot fly higher than 120 meters. Always keep your drone within the line of sight. Avoid flying over the people or private property without permission. Stay at least 4 kilometers away from the airports. Obtain necessary permits for flying in national parks and conservation areas. And by following these guidelines, we can enjoy capturing the beauty of this place while ensuring everyone's safety.
Like a jazz improvisation.
As we leave from Lake Hawaii and headed towards Queenstown, we took the Crown Range Road, the highest main road in New Zealand. As we begin our ascent, the road started turning white. Last night there was a snowfall and the road still had beautiful blanket of snow. I was getting excited because I thought I wouldn't be able to see snow in New Zealand this time. The snow-covered landscape was absolutely magical, transforming the scenery into a winter wonderland. Here is your travel tip. If you are driving in snowy conditions, make sure your vehicle is equipped with snow chains and you need to drive carefully. The views are breathtaking, so take your time and enjoy the journey.
Astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions.
This place is crazy. I'm legit like crying looking at the beauty of the place. We were not expecting this beautiful. It's all snowy. Finally, I'm seeing the snow.
In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz.
Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny day, but our car is again frozen. We are in a Queenstown. We were so tired yesterday that we couldn't make any video. We were driving like for 5-6 hours straight. So we just got into the bed and slept. Now we are heading towards Glenorchy, and there are other spots as well which we gotta cover. So let's see what this day brings along. We booked our stay in Frankton and it was a great choice. It's more affordable than Queenstown, yet still offers stunning views and easy access to our adventure.
¿Cómo será mi piel junto a tu piel, cardo o ceniza? ¿Cómo será?
So we came down to this historic bridge. This place has so many trails for the walking. We are not up for the walking just yet, so we're gonna go back and enjoy. The drive from Frankton to Glenorchy is amazing. The road goes right next to Lake Wakatipu and the mountains are huge and beautiful. We just can't stop smiling. this Queenstown, I love you. This is just perfect for me, like exactly perfect. They have beautiful hills, they have snowfall, they have lakes, and the whole town is built on the lake, and you can just see the snow-capped mountains from your house window. What more a person could ask for? So we were just driving to Lake Wakatipu. Yes, that's the correct name. So there are many stops you can take. This is Wilson Bay. Beautiful small lake again, and beautiful view. Clouds are there. Then before that, there was a reserve, waterfront reserve, and then there was a town walk. So there are so many trails and walks and stops you can take all over this town, and it's gonna be worth it. No matter which stop you took, no matter which trail you walked upon, everything will be worth it. Yes, and you will always be having a feeling of missing out because you can't just see everything and enjoy everything all at once. You have to come back. That's the beauty of this place, I think. It keeps calling you again and again. We're just taking stops everywhere. My God, I don't know what point is this, what road is this. I'm not keeping track anymore. It's like too much information. The drive was blowing my mind. Every few minutes we see something amazing and just have to pull over. As we get closer to Glenorchy, it keeps getting better. It's so peaceful and quiet out here. This drive is definitely one of the best we ever had. Can't wait to explore more and show you guys what's next. It's like every single town is different from the other, and every one we come across is beautiful than the previous one we have visited. Welcome to Glenorchy. This town is not just a simple town, it's a gateway to some of the New Zealand's best hiking trails. The town itself is super charming with few pubs, cafes and shops catering to both tourists and locals. It's also a popular spot for filming with the scenes from Lord of the Rings and Narnia shot around here. Now we are heading towards back actually. We are heading back to Queenstown. Meanwhile, we'll again stop for some point and we are trying to find some area where we can find some snow because today is our second day and we want to make the best out of it. So, to satisfy my craving for snow, we are heading to the Pisa Conservation Area lookout to enjoy it. The drive is just so beautiful and I can't wait to be there on the top. Wow, look at this. It's stunning. The snow-covered landscape is like a wonderland. The views from the lookout were amazing. We had so much fun playing in the snow. Pisa Conserve. Oh yeah, whatever, conservation area, and look at the snow all around. My god, you can take a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour walk, but we're not gonna do that. We just come here to enjoy the snow. Go, do that.
Cada vez que despierte avergonzada.
It was super cold, but that didn't stop us from having a blast. At one point, I slipped and fell right into the pile of snow, and Aman had a good laugh, including me. The cold air was refreshing. We even built a snowman and had a snowball fight. Amazing. The snow made everything look magical, beyond my imagination. I'm sad already. I don't want to go back. Thank you so much for watching my video. The adventure doesn't end here. Tomorrow we are heading to Milford Sound. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any part of our journey. Leave a comment below for your favorite spot from this trip. Till then, keep traveling. Ta-da!